intercept form. Intercept form. The equation of the straight line, the equation of the straight line which cuts of non-zero intercepts, A and B on the x-axis and the y-axis respectively is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Already we have discussed what are the intercepts. If a straight line intersecting the x-axis at a point a comma 0, then A is said to be an x-intercept. If a straight line intersecting the y-axis at 0 comma b, then B is said to be y-intercept. This is said to be y-intercept and A is said to be x-intercept. Already we have discussed this one in the earlier session. Now if we know the x-intercept and y-intercept, that is A and B, then the equation of a straight line, we can write the equation of a straight line if we know the x-intercept and y-intercept, that is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, where a is the x-intercept, b is the y-intercept. This form is known as intercept form because we are using the intercept. In the earlier lecture, we have discussed that equation of a straight line in slope intercept form because there we have a slope and intercept. So there we have used a slope intercept form, that is y is equal to mx plus c. Now let us discuss a problem. Find the equation of the straight line. Passing through minus 4 comma 5 and cutting off equal and non-zero intercepts on the coordinate axis. Solution. What is the given in the question? We have to find the equation of a straight line. What are the given conditions? Whatever the required equation we want, that straight line is passing through this point, and the straight line cutting off equal and non-zero intercepts of the coordinate axis. Solution. Let small a and small b are the x-intercept and y-intercept respectively of the required equation of the straight line. Whatever the required equation we want, for that equation I am going to take a and b are the x and y intercept. Now given that both the intercepts are equal, so given that a and b both are equal, that is a is equal to b. Now the equation of straight line in intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Equation number 1. Substituting b is equal to a, here we got b is equal to a in equation number 1. We get x by a plus y by a is equal to 1. In place of b, I just substituted a. Now taking LCM, x plus y by a is equal to 1. Cross multiply, x plus y is equal to a. X plus y is equal to a. Equation number 2. Given that the equation 2 is passing through the point, what is the given point in the question? Minus 4 comma 5. Since given that the required equation is passing through this point, if a equation passes through this point, means this point satisfies the given equation. Therefore, then equation number 2 implies, I am substituting minus 4 plus 5 is equal to a. This implies 1 is equal to a. Now substitute this a value in equation number 2 and get the equation of a straight line. So what you are going to get now, substituting a is equal to 1 in equation number 2, we get x plus y is equal to 1. This implies x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0 is the required equation of the straight line. Equation of the straight line. Next problem. Find the equation of the straight line passing through minus 2 comma 4 and making an non-zero intercepts whose sum is 0. Solution. We have to find the equation of a straight line. Means we have to find the equation of a straight line. Whatever the equation we have to find, that straight line is passing through this point, and that straight line also making a non-zero intercept whose sum is 0. Whose sum is 0. So first let a and b are the x-intercept and y-intercept respectively of the required equation of the straight line. Now, given that, what is the given condition in the intercept? Making a non-zero intercepts those intercepts whose sum is 0, given that a plus b is equal to 0. From this I am going to get b is equal to minus a. B is equal to minus a. Now the equation of the straight line in intercept form is, what is the intercept form? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Equation number 1. Now substitute this b value in equation number 1. Substituting b is equal to minus a in equation number 1, we get, what we are going to get? X by a plus y by minus a is equal to 1. This one can be written as x by a minus y by a is equal to 1. LCM x minus y is equal to a. Equation number 2. Given that the equation 2 is passing through the point minus 2 comma 4, then equation number 2 implies what you are going to get. Substitute this one, minus 2 minus 4 is equal to a. This implies minus 6 is equal to a. Substituting a is equal to minus 6 in equation number 2, we get what we will get, x minus y is equal to minus 6. This implies x minus y plus 6 is equal to 0 is the required equation of the straight line. Now next problem, find the equation of the straight line passing through the point 3 comma minus 4 and making x and y intercept which are in the ratio 2:3. This is the question. What is the question? Says we have to find the equation of a straight line, and also given that whatever the equation we have to find of a straight line, that straight line is passing through this point, and also making x and y intercept which are in the ratio 2:3. Now as we did in the earlier problems, we are going to do the same thing. Solution: let a and b are the x-intercept and y-intercept respectively of the required equation of the straight line. Given condition, what is the given condition? This intercept are in the ratio 2:3, that is a is to b is equal to 2:3. A is to b is equal to 2:3. This one can be written as a by b is equal to 2/3. Now cross multiply, this one can be written as 3a is equal to 2b. This implies 3a by 2 is equal to b. 3a by 2 is equal to b. The equation of the straight line in intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Equation number 1. Now substitute this b value in equation number 1. Substitute b is equal to 3a by 2 in equation number 1. We get what you are going to get, x by a plus y by what we got, b, 3a by 2 is equal to 1. This implies x by a plus 2y by 3a is equal to 1. Now I am going to take a LCM. If I take LCM, we are going to get 3x plus 2y by 3a is equal to 1. Now cross multiply, 3x plus 2y is equal to 3a. Equation number 2. Given that the equation number 2 is passing through the point. What is the given point in the question? 3 comma minus 4. Then equation number 2 implies what we are going to get. Just substitute 3 into 3 plus 2 into minus 4 is equal to 3m. This implies 3 into 3 is 9 minus 8 is equal to 3a. This implies 1 is equal to 3a. This implies 1 by 3 is equal to a. Now substitute this a value here. Substitute a is equal to 1 by 3 in equation number 2. We get 3x plus 2y is equal to 3 into 1 by 3. 3 get cancelled. We are going to get 3x plus 2y is equal to 1. This implies 3x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0 is the required equation of the straight line. Now we will discuss another problem. Let us write down a homework. Problem. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the point 2 comma 3 and making the non-zero intercepts on the axis of coordinates whose sum is 0, and the answer you have to get is x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the homework problem. The same problem just now we have discussed here. Find the equation of a straight line which is passing. We have to find the equation of a straight line. That straight line is passing through this point and making a non-zero intercept whose sum is 0. A same problem just now we have discussed earlier here. This problem I have solved. You can go through this problem. Find the equation of a straight line which is passing through this point here 2 comma 3, and we have earlier we did minus 2 comma 4, and making a non-zero intercept whose sum is 0. Both the problems are same, just this point is different. You can proceed the whole problem as it is. Just when you are substituting this point, you have to substitute this point and get this answer. Very easy to solve this homework problem. Try to solve this homework problem. Now next form, point slope form. The equation of the straight line with slope m and passing through the point x1 comma y1 is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Till now we have discussed First one, slope intercept form, that is y is equal to mx plus c. If we have a slope and we have a intercept, then we are going to use the slope intercept form. Second thing we have learned today, that is intercept form. This one is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. If we have a two intercepts a and b, then we are using this one. Now the third one is point slope form. In the slope intercept, if we have a slope and intercept, we are going to use. If you have a only intercept, then we are going to use intercept form. The name itself indicating some thing that if you have a slope and intercept, slope intercept form. If you have only intercept, then intercept form. The point slope form means if we have a point and a slope, the equation of a straight line with the slope m and passing through the one point. Therefore, we have a slope and a point. Therefore, we are going to use this one, point slope form. Says that y is minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So, I am going to solve this one. Now, this one says that the equation of a straight line having slope m and y-intercept c is y is equal to mx plus c. This is the slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. But here we did not given that what is the y-intercept, but I used here. Now let us know what is the intercept. Given that whatever the equation we are finding, that one is passing through this point. Given that the equation 1 is passing through the point x1 comma y1, then substitute here. So what you are going to get after substitution, we will get that y1 is equal to m x1 plus c, m x1 plus c. This implies y1 minus m x1 is equal to c. Substitute c is equal to y1 minus m x1 in equation number 1. We get, what is the equation number 1? Y is equal to mx plus, in place of c, y1 minus m x1. This implies y is equal to mx plus y1 minus mx1. I am sending this y1 that side. Y minus y1 is equal to mx minus mx1. This implies y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 is the required equation of the straight line. This one only we have to prove. If we have a slope and a point, we can use this one. We can use the point slope form. Point slope form. Now let us discuss some of the problems on this. Now first of all, find the equations of the straight lines which make the following angles with the positive x-axis in the positive direction and which pass through which pass through the points given below. In this, the first one, pi by 4 and 0 comma 0. Second one, pi by 3 and 1 comma 2. Third one, 135 degrees and 3 comma minus 2. Fourth one, 150 degrees and minus 2 comma minus 1. This is the question. What is the given? That we have to find the equation of a straight line. This straight line making the angle with the positive x-axis in the positive direction, and this straight line is passing through a point are given below. Means this is the angle that the straight line making with the x-axis, and this is the point which the x-axis the line is passing through. Out of these four, I am going to solve 1 or 2 and the remaining will be the homework. 1 and 2 and the remaining will be the homework. Now I will solve the third one. Solution. Third one, given angle, that is theta is equal to 135 degrees. Then slope m is equal to tan theta, that is tan 135 degrees. Tan 135 can be written as tan 180 minus 45 degrees. Tan 180 minus theta, in the second 180 minus theta is the second coordinate. In the second coordinate is tan is negative, and 180 minus theta, tan becomes tan 45, and tan 45 value is minus 1. Therefore the equation of the straight line having slope m is equal to minus 1 and passing through the point, what is the point given? 3 comma minus 2 is, therefore here we have a slope and a point. I can use the point slope form, is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Here you can write by point slope form. This implies y minus of minus 2 is equal to m is minus 1, x minus 3. This implies y plus 2 is equal to minus x plus 3. Take all terms one side, x plus y plus 2 minus 3 is equal to 0. This implies x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0 is the required equation of the straight line. Now I am going to solve the fourth one. Fourth one says that so the same problem, given angle theta is equal to 150 degrees. Then slope m is equal to tan theta, that is tan 150 degrees. Tan 150 can be written as tan 180 minus 30. In the second coordinate, tan is negative, you will get tan 30 degrees, which is equal to minus, now tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. Therefore the equation of the straight line having slope m is equal to minus 1 by root 3 and passing through the point, what is the given point, minus 2 comma minus 1 is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This implies y minus of what is y1 minus 1 is equal to m is minus 1 by root 3 x minus of minus 2. This implies y plus 1 is equal to minus 1 by root 3 into x plus 2. Now cross multiply. Root 3y plus root 3 is equal to minus 1 into x plus 2. This implies root 3y plus root 3 is equal to minus x minus 2. Take all terms one side. X plus root 3y plus 2 plus root 3 is equal to 0 is the required equation of the straight line. Similarly, you have to solve this first one and the second one, this one as a homework. I am giving the answer for first one and the second one. For the first one, the answer you have to get answer as x minus y is equal to 0, and for the second one you have to get answer as root 3x minus y plus 2 minus root 3 is equal to 0. Minus 2 is equal to 0.